I bet you didn't know that AI art is now selling for millions, or that digital paintbrushes never get tired. Yeah, the art world is changing fast. Artists have always pushed boundaries, but now the canvas is infinite. Thanks to AI, anyone, anywhere can turn a simple idea into a masterpiece with just a prompt. No fancy degree, no expensive supplies, just imagination and a few clicks. But don't worry, AI isn't here to replace artists. It's here to help them dream bigger. Imagine collaborating with a tool that never runs out of inspiration. Want a painting in the style of Van Gogh with the colors of a sunset and the vibe of a sci-fi movie? Done. You can remix, mash up, and explore styles that never existed before. Of course, it's not all rainbows and happy robots. There are big debates. Who owns AI art? What about originality? Is clicking generate really creating? These questions are sparking conversations everywhere, from college studios to big auction houses. But here's the wildest part. AI art is making creativity accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a pro, you just need a spark of curiosity. In the future, the next great artist could be anyone, maybe even you. So, will you just watch the future of art unfold, or will you be part of it? The canvas is wide open. What will you create?